How to fix Facebook dating not showing. You have come to the right channel for this, so please subscribe and click that bell on for more updates and videos like this. So if there is no Facebook dating showing on your profile, you should do this. So go to your Facebook and app info. So once you are here, click on storage. So in here, just simply clear the cache or clear data. So this will reset the Facebook app, and eventually it will show you the Facebook dating. And the other one is to go to permissions and make sure in the permissions that all of these options, such as calendar, camera, and contacts, are permitted by the app. So you would see here that Facebook dating is available for me. But if it doesn't work for you, there is another method. So what we are going to do is go to the Facebook Help Center on any browser. Once you are here, just search Facebook dating. And in here, you'll find who can use Facebook dating and see if your country is permitted. If not, you can wait a few days when Facebook will be updated. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.